Welcome back to the Gardening with Joy and Holly radio show. Time for your questions, our answers. You got a question? Send it all over. GardenTalkRadio@gmail.com. Or you can give us a call on the Proclamation Hotline. That number is 1-800-927-SHOW.
Proclamation Goods creates cookware for the eco-conscious home chef. Their pans are non-toxic, have a lifetime warranty, and are made in Wisconsin. Their award-winning stainless steel Proclamation Duo cookware set is a 12-inch skillet and a stock pot that doubles as a wok. Best of all, the skillet and stock pot hinge together to form a Dutch oven. It's 2 pans with the versatility of 10, empowering you more to cook more with less. If you care about your health and strive for a more sustainable lifestyle, then Proclamation Goods is for you. Supplies are limited, so order yours now at proclamationgoods.com.
1-800-927-SHOW or GardenTalkRadio@gmail.com. This question is sponsored by Fleet Farm and FleetFarm.com. Hi, I have been using compost soil, and it is very loose and does not hold water well. What can I do or mix in with some clay soil to help hold the water? This is my second year gardening. Thank you.
You can add coco-coir, peat moss, or vermiculite, and then you could even mix it with some clayish soil into the composted soil to kind of break it up and amend it more.
Which basically, not all compost is created equal.
Right. This
must be kind of like a cheaper, obviously it is a cheaper version of compost, and not very good. Let's see here. Next question is...
love your podcast. I listen from Osceola, Iowa. We have been very dry and hot this year and did not water as often as we should. We had a new baby. Our Blue Lake bush beans continued to put on flowers but drop them and no beans. We have increased our watering by getting a soaker hose, and the temps have been much better. However, they still just drop flowers. Our friends nearby are growing tons of beans. Now, they have a soaker hose all summer, but they also are growing pole beans. Now that we watered more, it isn't as hot as expecting the blooms to make beans. No such luck. Do you think the pole versus bush beans are different? Anything else to make this happen? Just kind of sad around southern Iowa. Farmers are having issues too.
All right, lack of pollination may be a problem with lack of watering. Heat's an issue. What are the things? Pole beans are more hardy than bush beans if you're going to go that route. And pollinating due to the heat and insects not pollinating could also be a problem. Now, beans are typically self-pollinating, so could just be the heat, could be an adverse reaction to, the dead pollen. The pollen's not doing very well. Well,
for more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.